What's up, boys and girls? Human Hobbybox here, doing a personal for TJ. TJ's grabbed these 3 boxes. Good luck, buddy. Let's see what I can get you. Hopefully we get a Matthews for you out of this one. Still have the Synergy break going on the right-hand side of the screen, guys. 3 boxes of Synergy. We are down to 18 spots on that. 2 spots for 20 bucks. That's a great deal. Anyone wants a spot, please let me know so I'll add you on. Let's see what I can pull for TJ. Throw him a couple of overtime packs. Let's get him something nice. Atkinson, Pearson, Blue Jordan Schmaltz, and the Kyla Yamamoto. Since that auto that I pulled once, I haven't pulled an auto yet. Teravainen base. Clayton Keller rookie. Not bad. And the red Sam Gagner is 73 of 99. And a next in line of Clayton Keller. Series 1 box. 16-17. Austin Matthews here. Sure, Clifford, I can do that. Let me just finish the boxes for TJ here. So Clifford is grabbing 2 spots, so we're down to 16, guys. Clifford times 2. Sorry, TJ. 16 left there. 16 left. I'm gonna do the cup break next week. It's $45 a spot. It's gonna be hard to fill that one. Still got like 26 spots left in it, 25 spots left in that. So hopefully we'll do the Synergy break. There's only 16 left in Synergy, and it's 2 for 20 bucks anyways. So that should fill. Okay, canvas, Dougie Hamilton. First young gun is Pavel Buchnevich. Pavel Buchnevich, young guns. Antoine Roussel, Super Colossal. Goalie Nightmare, Joe Pavelski. I don't think Joe Pavelski is a goalie nightmare. What's up, Stefan? Alex Pietrangelo, UD Portraits. Steven Santini, Young Guns. Let me get that camera down a little bit, I think. There you go. There. We're going to do this. There you go. That way people can see it as well. Not much, Stefan. Not much. How are you? Hopefully we can get the Synergy break filled. 2 spots for $20 Canadian. 3 boxes of Synergy. Blue Shining Stars, Sean Monahan. This is a personal break for TJ. There's 16 spots left, guys. What's up, Mike? Jersey card, Brendan Gallagher. Not bad. Mike, I didn't get anything. It was $85. I didn't want to pay 85 bucks for a Besser autograph when I can see him at the stadium and hopefully get one for free. Dennis Morgan, Young Guns. Come on, Austin. Sonny Milano rookie portraits. And $10 for the authentication, so 85 bucks, right? Shining Stars, Joe Thornton. No, I'll see him for free. Darnell Nurse, canvas. So guys, almost halfway for the Synergy triple box. That's pretty much the only break we're going to do tonight, unless we get someone that wants to buy the rest of the spots for the cup break. Artemi Panarin, canvas. It's only 11 Canadian per spot, 2 for 20 bucks. Brandon Saad, Shining Stars. This is a personal for TJ. Yeah, that Pavelski is huge. There's another goalie nightmare. This one, I could agree. Philip Forsberg could be a goalie nightmare. But, oh, not bad. Not bad. William Nylander. William Nylander, Young Guns. Not bad at all. Let's leave that up for you right here, buddy. That is not a bad Young Gun to get. Top loader. Good, good, good. How did you know that, TJ? Morgan Riley, portraits. The Young Guns are all related. Same ones come in the same box. Super Colossal, Zach Rinaldo. Oh my God! Good for you there, buddy. Good for you. Austin Matthews. Nice. No, it's not a super shaking one, but hey, I did 2 boxes of Series 1 yesterday, 2 boxes of Series 2, hoping to hit this guy, and the freaking guy didn't show up, and it shows up in your box. Nice. Awesome. Nylander and Matthews in the same box. Very nice. Okay, the rest is just gravy, right? Lucky guy. Lucky guy. Zach Parise, Nightmares. Yeah, we'll be with you. Hey, I was rooting for you to hit something nice, honestly. So I'm glad that we're already halfway there. Jonathan Huberdeau. Jamie Benn, portraits. Hudson Fasching, Young Guns. Well, I guess we got to go tracking again, buddy. And Brent Seabrook, canvas. Good box, man. Nylander and Matthews in the same one. Good for you, TJ. Good start. Let's get some heat from Synergy. And hopefully your SPX. Sure, Lachowski. No one has picked their spots. Everyone said random, so you can choose anything you want, Eric. And we're down to 14 with Eric taking 2. Let me just write it down quickly so I don't forget. Letrowski times 2. Okay, what's up, Rebecca? Synergy, box number ending with 1, you said, and that's a box number that ends with a 1. 21 is the box number. Yeah, the special base in Synergy is what you want, or a purple, or an autograph. But yeah, those base ones, they sell for, they're all low numbered, right? So let's see. Pat LaFontaine, red. Carter Rowney, blue rookie. And a Clayton Keller, exceptional talent. Not bad. What's up, Tamara? Red Dennis Gurianov, rookie. Red Alex Formanton, rookie. And a North, what? Anyways, a Nolan Patrick insert. I can't say it. Noteworthy newcomers. Nolan Patrick. No, it's not noteworthy. It's noteworthy. So we're only 14 spots away, guys. Synergy should fill. Let's do it. John Tavares, red. Oh, not bad. 23 out of 26. Impact players, Claude Giroux. TJ bought 3 personals. And the Wayne Gretzky, not bad. Impact player, Wayne Gretzky. Good so far. We're probably going to only do the Synergy. Triple box of Synergy, 14 spots left. Oh, I'll check the back for some of the reds. Yeah, you're right. Oh, we got a color shift. Nice. Red Drew Doughty. And a nice color shift, Patrick Laine. These were not in the on the checklist, and they inserted after. I don't know why it's called color shift, because it doesn't change color. Usually, I honestly thought these things change color and if you go on a different angle. And Will Butcher. Yes, I'll look at the behind of the red ones for bounty, TJ. Thanks, Latrowski. 13 and 26 is yours. So, Synergy, guys, down to 14 spots. Kyler Yamamoto, red rookie. Brad Marchand, blue. And impact player of Mario Lemieux. At least you're getting some good names. What's up, Bill? So, guys, the cup break is postponed to next week. We're only going to do Synergy tonight. Taylor Hall, red. Ryan Johansson, blue. And the John Tavares, exceptional talent. Jake DeBrusk, red. Blue, Tage Thompson. And a Steven Stamkos. And the last one, red Tim Heed, rookie. A blue Mark Messier, and the career spanning of Dominic Hasek. So no auto in this one. Now let's check the reds for bounty. Okay, let's see how many scratch you got. So Tim Heed, nope. Jake DeBrusk, nope. Taylor Hall, there you go. You get 1. Kyler Yamamoto, you got 2. Nope. And, oops. John Tavares, no. Drew Doughty, no. Gurianov, no. And Pat LaFontaine, no as well. So you got 2 of the bounty scratches. I think that's what you get. You get 2 per box. So there you go, buddy. Now SPX. So that wasn't a horrible box, but it wasn't the best one either. You got the color shift or whatever. Box number 97. Let's see if we can get another Connor McDavid. Good luck, buddy. Thank you, Sterls. 4, 11, 17, 22. Synergy is down to 10 spots, guys. Nice. 10 left for Synergy. Latrowski was 13 and 26. Sterls takes 4. 4, 11, 17, and 22. Okay. 10 left, guys. Good luck, TJ. Top loaded. Which one, TJ? Which one would you like top loaded? Let me know. I'll do it right now. First one. 167 299. Yvonne Barbashev. Line A, sure. We'll do it right now. Anders Bjork, 99 of 299. Trademark relics. This one feels a little bit thicker, so I'll leave that there. Oh, this one's thick too. Wow. I just hope it's not jerseys. Let's get at least one black. Okay, that's not a jersey. This one is the jersey, so we'll open the jersey first. It is. Oh, not bad. If you're going to get a jersey card, why not get the second overall pick? Nolan Patrick, 39 of 299. That's still the PayPal. Yes, sir. Let me grab the color shift. Color shift right there. Top loader is right here. I think 75 will do. Yep, 75 will do. There you go. Okay, let's see what you get. That should be an autograph here. Should be an autograph. And I think it's black. TJ. Sandbagger would love it. You can guess what it is, right? TJ. Ah, never mind. Sorry. False alarm. 2 of 5. Still a nice card. Connor Sheary. Gold Obsidian Script. 2 of 5. I saw the yellow, and I saw it being out of 5. I thought it was a McAvoy. My bad. My bad. False alarm. Hey, still a cool card, and there is a fingerprint of Connor Sheary on it. That's not my fingerprint. That's Connor Sheary's. Obviously, McAvoy 2 of 5 would have been a lot better. Sorry, TJ, for the false alarm, but still not a bad card. I'll put it in a top loader for you right now. You can hold on to Connor Sheary's fingerprint right there too. I'll leave it up to you to clean it up. There you go. Let's put the Nolan Patrick in there as well. So there you go, TJ. Thank you very much for your purchase. A couple of cool cards. Hope you're happy. You got yourself a Nolan Patrick, a Connor Sheary, color shift Line A, Austin Matthews Young Guns, and a William Nylander Young Guns, and a bunch of cool Synergy color cards. And we'll just leave these while we're at it. I'll go to his house tomorrow and make him peel. Okay, that was TJ's personal $3. Thanks, buddy. Okay, Synergy is down to 9 spots, guys.